How to remove Slack integrations. Hello guys, and today we're going to talk about this platform called Slack. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log in into your account. And then after doing that, you would be able to see this homepage over here. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to look over here on the left side, and you're going to locate the specific app that you want to remove. For example, this Google Drive over here, we're going to click this. And then we're going to look over here in the middle. We're going to click on the About section. And then we're going to click on Configuration over here. And then this will redirect us to this page over here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on these options over here. We have either disable or remove. We're simply going to click on the remove option. And then we're going to type in remove from workspace. Then click on OK. And just like that, we have successfully removed Google Drive from our Slack. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.